When reviewing a set of plans in PlanViewer mode, you might want to get some basic measurements. PlanViewer mode includes a quick takeoff feature that allows you to gather quick quantity measurements for a linear, area, or count item. Let's start by doing a quick linear takeoff. Start by selecting the line tool in the top left. After you select a tool, you can then change the preferred unit of measure in the Units field. Once you've set the unit of measure, you can then begin drawing your takeoff. To do so, simply click and drag the line you want to draw. You can draw multiple lines, and the total quantity of all the lines drawn displays up in the top left. Please note that these quick takeoff quantities are not saved in the system, so if you need the numbers, write them down before changing the type of takeoff you're performing. Now let's perform a quick area takeoff. Select the Area tool in the top left. Notice that when you do this, your linear quantities disappear and can no longer be retrieved. Once you select the Area tool, you must again indicate your preferred unit of measure. To draw your area, you will click on a corner of the area to begin. Rather than clicking and dragging like you did for the linear, you will instead just click every time you want to change direction when drawing an area. When you get to the end, simply double-click to end the shape. You can draw as many areas as you need, and the total quantity displays in the top left. Just like with the linear, the area quantities aren't saved in the system, so please record the numbers before moving on to your next task if you need them. The last type of quick takeoff item you can create is a count item. Select the Count tool in the top left. The Count tool will only return in each measurement, so there's no need to set a specific unit of measurement when performing a count takeoff. With the tool selected, all you need to do is now point and click on every object on the plans you want to count. Once finished, you must again manually record your quantities because they will not be saved. These tools allow you to record numbers quickly and easily while reviewing a sheet. If you need a more comprehensive takeoff tool that lets you create multiple items of each type and saves your quantity results even across multiple sheets, inquire with your OnCenter sales representative about a full on-screen takeoff license. To learn more about how to get started or other aspects of working with on-screen takeoff or PlanViewer, explore our full training video library.